Unraveling the Mystery of Landscape Fabric, an essential guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating phrase that's not only common in gardening but also intriguing in its composition: landscape fabric. Understanding such phrases not only enriches your vocabulary but also offers a glimpse into how English words can combine to describe specific concepts. Let's unravel the mystery of landscape fabric together. Before we delve into the phrase as a whole, it's essential to understand the individual words. Landscape refers to the visible features of an area of land. It's often associated with natural scenery like mountains, valleys, trees, and rivers. However, it can also include human-made features like gardens and parks. On the other hand, fabric usually refers to material made by weaving or knitting fibers together. It's commonly used in making clothes, curtains, or bedding, but in our phrase, it has a different meaning. Now, combining these words, landscape fabric is a material used in gardening and landscaping. It's a thin, permeable sheet usually made of fabric-like synthetic materials. It's not used for clothing or traditional fabric purposes but has a special role in gardening. The main purpose of landscape fabric is to suppress weeds while allowing water and air to pass through. This is important because it keeps gardens and landscaped areas looking neat and tidy, without the unwanted growth of weeds. Additionally, it helps to preserve soil moisture and can even prevent erosion in some cases. Using landscape fabric involves laying it over the soil and then cutting small openings to plant your flowers, shrubs, or vegetables. It's often covered with a layer of mulch or stones for added aesthetics and protection. It's a popular choice for gardens, pathways, and areas around trees and shrubs. Like any gardening tool, landscape fabric has its advantages and disadvantages. It's great for weed control and moisture preservation, but over time, it can become clogged with soil and debris, reducing its effectiveness. It's also not the most environmentally friendly option, as it's made from synthetic materials and can take many years to decompose. I hope this video has shed light on what landscape fabric is and its role in gardening and landscaping. Remember, English is full of phrases where words come together to form new meanings, just like landscape fabric. Keep exploring and expanding your vocabulary, and you'll find the English language full of surprises. Thanks for watching, and happy learning!